Welcome to Investor Web, your go-to channel for all things finance and investment. Here we decode the complex world of money management, making it accessible and understandable for everyone. We are your trusted guide, providing valuable insights, practical advice, and actionable tips to help you navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's essential for everyone, regardless of your financial goals or where you are in your financial journey. We're going to discuss 10 basic money rules everyone should know. These are time-tested principles that can help you build a solid financial foundation, make wise financial decisions, and ultimately lead you to financial freedom. So whether you're just starting out, looking to get back on track, or want to fine-tune your financial strategy, this video is for you. Let's delve into these money rules that can set you on the path to financial freedom. Rule number 1, spend less than you earn. This concept stands as the cornerstone of financial wisdom. It's simple, yet powerful. To attain financial stability, it's crucial to live within your means. Imagine your income as a tank of water and your expenses as a faucet. If you allow the faucet to spew more water than what's coming in, you're heading towards an empty tank, or in financial terms, debt. Now, overspending can often seem harmless, especially in the short term. The allure of instant gratification can be tempting, but remember, it's a pitfall that leads to a cycle of debt, stress, and financial instability. Instead, cultivate the habit of mindful spending. Prioritize needs over wants. Save and invest the surplus. This way, you're not just preventing debt, but also paving the way for wealth generation. Remember, financial success starts with spending less than you earn. Moving on to rule number 2, start investing early. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill. As it descends, it picks up more snow, growing larger and faster. This is the power of compound interest, the snowball effect for your finances. The earlier you start investing, the larger your financial snowball can become over time. Imagine you've planted a seed. With time, care, and patience, it grows into a mighty tree. Investments are much like this. They need time to grow and mature. Starting early gives your investments the time they need to flourish and multiply. Consider 2 individuals. One starts investing at 20 years old, another at 40. Even if the latter invests more money, the former, who started earlier, will often end up with a larger nest egg. The reason? Time is the greatest ally for an investor. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Rule number 3, diversify your investments. Picture a farmer who plants only one type of crop. If a disease strikes that specific crop, the farmer could lose everything. The same principle applies to investing. Diversification, in essence, is about spreading your investments across a variety of assets to reduce risk. You see, not all investments perform well at the same time. Stocks might be up when bonds are down, and vice versa. Having a mix of different types of investments can help cushion the blow if one of them takes a hit. It's like betting on every horse in the race. Sure, you won't win big on any single horse, but you're much less likely to lose everything. This isn't to say that diversification eliminates risk altogether. No investment strategy can do that, but it can help manage and mitigate risk, making your investment journey a bit smoother. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Rule number 4. Prioritize paying off debt. It's a simple truth. The longer a debt lingers, the more it costs you. Interest accumulates over time, meaning you end up paying more than the original sum you borrowed. But it's not just about money. Debt can be a heavy burden, weighing on your mind and impacting your quality of life. It can feel like you're carrying a financial ball and chain, always dragging you down. Paying off your debt as quickly as possible frees you from this burden. It's a liberating feeling, knowing that every penny you earn is truly yours to spend or save as you see fit. It opens up opportunities for saving, investing, and growing your wealth. So make it a priority. Allocate a portion of your income to clearing your debt. Start with the high-interest debts and work your way down. Remember, every payment brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Debt is a roadblock to financial freedom, so make it a priority to pay it off. Rule number 5, build an emergency fund. Picture this. Your car breaks down, or a sudden health issue arises that your insurance doesn't fully cover. What do you do? This is where an emergency fund comes into play. It's a financial buffer, a safety net, designed to cover unexpected expenses that can come out of nowhere. An emergency fund isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. It's not about if you'll need it, but when. Life is unpredictable. You can't foresee every twist and turn, but you can prepare for them. Think of it as your personal financial bodyguard, always ready to step in when times get tough. And remember, it's not just about having an emergency fund. but also about the size of it. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. An emergency fund is your safety net, so start building it today. Rule number 6, understand the power of passive income. Passive income, by definition, is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. It's like having golden geese that lay golden eggs. You don't have to be there for the eggs to appear, they just do. Imagine having a stream of income that flows into your bank account while you're sleeping, vacationing, or just lazing around. This is the financial freedom that passive income offers. It could come from owning rental properties, investing in dividend-paying stocks, writing a best-selling book, or even creating a blog or YouTube channel that generates ad revenue. Like every other form of income, it requires an initial investment, either of time or money. But the beauty of passive income is that it keeps coming in once the groundwork is laid. Passive income can provide financial freedom, so start exploring your options today. Rule number 7, continually educate yourself about finances. The world of finance is vast and ever-changing, and it's crucial to keep pace with it. Financial literacy isn't a one-time achievement, but a lifelong commitment. It's about understanding how money works, how to manage it, save it, and invest it wisely. New investment vehicles and financial products are introduced frequently, and regulatory landscapes evolve. By staying informed, you can navigate these changes and make the most of your money. Financial education also helps you avoid pitfalls like fraudulent schemes or risky investments. It empowers you to make informed decisions, whether you're choosing a retirement plan, buying insurance, or investing in stocks. Remember, you don't have to become a Wall Street whiz overnight. Start with the basics and gradually expand your knowledge. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, take online courses, or even hire a financial advisor. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Rule number 8, avoid get-rich-quick schemes. This, dear listeners, is an age-old money rule that never goes out of style. The allure of quick riches can be tempting, but more often than not, these schemes are traps designed to part you from your hard-earned money. They prey on our impatience, our desire for instant gratification. But wealth, true wealth, is not built overnight. It's a product of consistent effort, smart decisions, and yes, time. Instead of chasing the next big thing, focus on long-term investing. It's not as glamorous, sure, but it's a proven strategy for building wealth. Long-term investing allows you to take advantage of compounding interest and ride out market volatility. It's about growing your wealth steadily and surely, not risking it all on a gamble. So the next time you come across an offer promising instant wealth, take a step back. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Rule number 9, make a budget and stick to it. A well-crafted budget is like a compass guiding you through the financial wilderness. It's a tool that helps you allocate your resources wisely, ensuring that every penny has a purpose. It's about understanding the difference between what you want and what you need. Imagine a ship in the vast ocean navigating without a compass. It's likely to get lost, right? The same applies to your finances. Without a budget, you're like a ship without a compass. You may end up losing your way and wasting your hard-earned money. Budgeting allows you to create a spending plan for your money. It ensures that you will always have sufficient money for the things you need and the things that are important to you. And remember, sticking to your budget is as important as creating it. It's a commitment, a discipline that you need to cultivate. A budget is a financial roadmap, so make one and stick to it. And finally, rule number 10, plan for retirement. Planning for retirement is not just about setting aside a portion of your income, but it's about creating a sustainable financial plan that will support you in your golden years. It's about understanding that the sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. It's about taking advantage of compounding interest, which Albert Einstein famously called the eighth wonder of the world. It's about making your money work for you even when you're not working. And it's about peace of mind, knowing that you've prepared for a future where you're not reliant on a monthly paycheck. So whether you're just starting your career or you're well into it, it's never too early or too late to start planning for retirement. The benefits of early planning are numerous, from tax advantages to maximizing your pension. So don't delay, start today. Remember, retirement planning is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it. the 10 basic money rules everyone should know. We've journeyed together through the importance of spending less than you earn, the power of starting to invest early, and the wisdom of diversifying your investments. We've explored the crucial role of prioritizing debt payment, the safety net of an emergency fund, and understanding the power of passive income. We've also delved into the significance of continually educating yourself about finances, the caution against get-rich-quick schemes, the discipline of sticking to a budget, and the foresight of planning for retirement. Remember, these aren't just rules, they're stepping stones to financial success. Applying these rules in your life can help transform your financial landscape. They're not about quick fixes, but about cultivating habits that can lead to long-lasting prosperity. So take a step today, and let's journey together towards financial freedom. Thank you for watching Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and tips.